How's it going? I'm Donald Jackson, owner and operator of Pinku Style Automotive Garage based in South Japan. I like to provide my own products. As you guys probably seen in the past, I've done suspension, I've done wheels, and now I'm doing a big brake kit. And to me, that's a trifecta of all. Every car utilizes all three. That way I can get those out there to maximum clients and push the name and image of Pinku Style Garage. All right, so getting into some of the tech specs right here. Some of the highlights of the rotors features FC25 Plus gray iron rotor rings, 6061 T6 rotor hats, 6061 T6 aluminum calipers and pistons. For the rotors, we have 11 to 17 inches with 4 to 8 piston calipers. We have rear 11 to 16 inches with 4 to 6 piston calipers, 15 anodized colors, 17 painted colors. For pads, we're going to have 4 different types of brake pads, ranging from street to ultra track. We have street gray, street blue, race red, super race yellow. Moving on to warranty. The caliper body and brackets come with a 2-year warranty. The caliper parts, brake lines come with a 1-year warranty. The rotors come with a 3-month, 10,000 kilometers and or 6,200 mile warranty, depending on which comes first. Hardware will be also included with the brackets. The brackets are going to be detailed depending on your car and model. With that, there's a lot of different ways you can skin a cat when it comes to cars and brakes. So the basic information we put out there for advising, that will go to me, Donald Jackson. For that reason, we want to make sure you get the best brakes for your car, make sure everything is set up properly, provide you with technical information to help you install them. Even the guys that are not very proficient at it, this can be installed by a guy that's very entry level to it. All of the equipment is there. We have calipers, we have rotors, we have the brackets, we have all of the gear that you're going to need to install, and to include shims, because you're going to sometimes need to push the caliper and the rotor away from each other, and it's going to depend, again, if you have knuckles, let's say you have a wise fab, you got this kind of kit, it's going to vary. So we're going to try to promote and support all the guys out there. So the guys who want to get upgraded brakes but don't really necessarily need the big ones here, we also have the ability to make OEM style size rotors, or OEM with a little bit extra oomph, meaning you want to bump up, you want the rotors to be a little bit bigger, so we can facilitate that. With all that stuff there, of course, there's going to be fees in there to facilitate what you need. We're providing here is the big brake kit. Make sure all those guys get that. Again, supporting 1900 models, meaning I'm pretty sure if you're watching this video, your model is supported. If your model happens to not be supported, get with me down on thepinkustyle.com. Give me the information, what you're doing with your car, how fast you need to stop, and how often you're using the brakes. And with that, I'll give you my advice. I'll get the information from the manufacturer, and we'll do that. So wrapping up on all of that, the manufacturer. Biggest thing out there you guys want to ensure when you're spending your money is that the quality is good. My manufacturer is located in Taiwan. That's as much information as I'll give you. I vetted the manufacturer very much, just like I did with my wheels and my suspension. The quality is good, it's up par, and I've had a lot of kits and held them in my hand. The quality is there, guarantee it, and we'll make sure everything is good to go. I just want to break down a little bit of the basic information for it. Again, this can go wide open, and it can be very simple. If you guys are new to big brake kits, it might seem very daunting, but again, down on thepinkustyle.com, and we can get everything sorted, help you select the right kit for your car, and enjoy the track, enjoy the street with style. Introducing the Pinku Style BK01 big brake kit for you guys. Down on thepinkustyle.com. See you guys later. Peace.